I'm gonna try it again just to be fair, but.
I mean, it's not. Once you burn your mouth with the alcohol, it kind of averages out.
That ain't it.
Nope, that's soap.
From start to finish.
That's not good.
Antiseptic. It's got like an antiseptic taste.
Is it that 3-quart soap?
No, it's more antiseptic than
You know
the
the
laundry detergent.
allergy spray the doctor gives you, and then it burns the nostrils, and then you have that aftertaste.
It's piddling.
That's Flonase.
That's piddling.